Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So my name's Ashleigh, for those of you who are new here, those of you who aren't, thanks for joining me once again. So it's been a long time since I've filmed, but I've got a really exciting video to do today. I am going to do like a little life update Q&A kind of thing soon. Right now I'm on a week off work, but it's literally the hottest week of the year. So I have got my windows open, so if you can hear anyone playing outside or anything like that, there is children in the neighbourhood around me, and it's school holidays, so it's a little bit loud. So yeah, the windows are open, so I'm sorry if you can hear any background noise. I also don't have my microphone right now, so I'm just recording on my phone, so if the audio is a bit weird, I'm really sorry. Getting back into the swing of filming, but yeah, literally it's the hottest week of the year, so I've got no makeup on. I look a bit sweaty and messy, but I really wanted to film this video for you. Also, I've got nice lines, love that. So very kindly, first of all, this video is a huge CHERRYZ haul, and if you've not heard about CHERRYZ, it's like an online what does it say, everyday essentials for less. Yeah, it's an online shop and they do like everyday essentials for less, so cleaning, household, baby, pet, food, drinks, there's loads of stuff on there. They kindly emailed me and asked if I wanted to do a video with them, so this is very kindly gifted. They sent me a £30 voucher and I got, I think, 27 items, which is really good. I paid 10p actually because it was just over, but yeah, I'm really excited to show you what I got. I've seen a few hauls floating around with CHERRYZ and I thought it's really I thought it looked really good, and I was like, okay, that would be a really fun video to do. When they emailed me, I thought, wow, yes, because I love doing videos like everyday things that everyone needs, and finding something under one roof is really helpful, and not actually having to leave the house to do it as well is great. So really excited to show you what's in there. I'm going to stop rambling and get on with it because it's really hot. I literally just opened the box. I'm just going to dive in and show you things. It may be a bit mismatched in the order of what I show you, but I'm just going to jump in. I do also very kindly have a gift count code is what I was going to say. I do also very kindly have a discount code from CHERRYZ, so I'll leave that on the screen somewhere, and also all the information will be in the description box below. And I'm just going to crack on, so I'm just going to dive in, talk about things, and I'll leave pictures and prices on the screen for you as well. So, the lid's come off this, let's put it back on. I bought one of these. Oh, hang on. So I bought one of these microwavable food bowls. Now, I thought this would be really handy to take like pasta or something to work, because quite often I'll have like chicken and pesto pasta or tomato and basil pasta, and it's just handy to have that in a food bowl that you can whack in the microwave. It's quite deep as well, obviously it's got the lid and the microwavable top there. And obviously it's pink, so I thought that is perfect, especially when we get into like autumn, winter and you have warmer things for lunch anyway. So I thought that was really handy. £1.50, I can't really complain. So yeah, I thought that would be handy to get. This is really random, but I got a bag of barbecue beef hoops. These are the big hoops. I only like the barbecue beef big hoops. I don't really like small hula hoops, and these were £1 and I love them, so I thought I would grab them. So that was a random purchase. So I got these, I got some cleaning bits and I got some toiletries and stuff, because my boyfriend lives with his best friend and they're really good at keeping it clean and tidy, but they just don't have some things that I need to, like, if I'm going to clean, I think, oh, have you got this? And they don't, and it stresses me out. So I got some bits. They do have these, but this was a really good deal. So these are the multicoloured sponge scourers. So you get 20 scourers, obviously all different colours. And it was 95p for 20, so I thought that's really handy because they can be used for all sorts of things. Obviously you've got the sponge and you've got the scourer, and for 95p I thought that's even better than Poundland, so I had to grab them. And then I got some of these toaster bags. Basically what you can do is you make a sandwich, you put it in the bag and toast it. So it's basically like you can make a toasty without making the mess and having to have a toasting machine. I've got a toasting machine at home, but obviously they don't have one in their flat, so we thought this would be a good idea to make. I really like cheese and Marmite toasties, so I may have to try this. I may have to get some bread later so we can try that. But I thought that'd be really handy. And you get 2 in a pack. That's £1.50, I believe. 2 in a pack, and they're reusable. I don't know how reusable they are, but I don't know how many times you can use it, but that'd be great. I'll let you guys know how it works. Maybe I'll do like a TikTok or something, seeing how they work. So more cleaning bits. I got some scourers. I love scourers. They had pink ones, but I thought for the boys it'd be better to get blue. So they had blue sparkly scourers. I think these were £1 as well, and you get 3, so I thought that's handy. Always need a scourer for the sink and the bath and things, so love that. Anyone ever come to my channel before where I'm doing like makeup and fashion videos that kind of talk about cleaning products? Neither did I. So then, what else is in here? I've got some hand gel, which I didn't order, so I don't know if that was just randomly put in there or a replacement for something, but we'll soon find out. So I got some iced coffee. They had this on there and I thought it sounded really good. So we've got all 3 flavours, obviously. So the brand is called MOKATE or MOKATE Gold, and it's an iced coffee drink. So all it says is to add milk and add ice. And I've been making iced coffee at home just normally, but it'll be interesting to see how it is. There's 8 sachets in each, so we got these 3. So this is the iced coffee caramel. And then there's the mocha, which I don't think I like that one, but that said he will, so we've got that. And then the white chocolate. So that'll be fun to try, and they were also only £1, so I thought, well, we'll grab them, especially while it's hot at the moment. Then I got some microfiber cloths. These are always handy. There was a 3-pack, I think it was £1.50. A little bit more expensive than Primark, because you can get 5 in a pack for £1.50 in there, but I thought it saves me going out, and they're just these pastel colours. So there's like triangles, and there's a grey and a mint, and I thought I'll have 2 new microfiber cloths. So then I got some, what should I go next? Got some Zaflora. Obviously you can never have too much of Zaflora. They had different scents on there, but this is pink grapefruit and it's a limited edition, so I thought that would be quite nice. Also you can use that for loads of different things. This is 120ml. I can't remember how much this was, but I thought that sounded really nice. Just be nice to kind of clean the surfaces and stuff with. I haven't used it that much myself before, so I'm really excited as a spray. Obviously you can dilute it. I might need to get a spray bottle. I'll get a spray bottle today. I'm going to go to Poundland and Wilkinson's and get some other bits that I need to clean. I then got these. So I always get Femme Fresh because I'm quite sensitive. That's something to discuss on YouTube, but you know. So I got this one. I usually use the orange one, but they had the blue one on there. I thought I'd get it. It is a smaller tube. It was £1.15, and I believe the larger one is like £3. So I just grabbed these while I could because it's annoying having to buy them. These are 150ml and I don't have 15 like I said, so I just got 2 of them because I can never have too much Femme Fresh. So that's really handy. I then got some of these treats for the dog, so he'll be happy in a minute when I give him some of these. These are the Wag treats, which he does have some of the other Wag treats at the moment, but these were chicken and cheese mini bones, and I thought he will absolutely love that. He loves a bit of cheese, so Kane will love those. Okay. So then I also got some baby wipes, because I always need baby wipes, taking off makeup, cleaning, loads of different things. So I thought I'd get some baby wipes. These were a 50-pack for 95p, I think, and they're Dove ones, so they're a little bit more pricey, but they smell really good. So there's 50 wipes in there and they're sensitive. I always get the sensitive ones, obviously. I got 2 packs of them because I go through baby wipes like no tomorrow, so I got those as well. Okay. Okay, I did get some chocolate, which is literally melted, so I'm going to have to whack that in the fridge. I got one for me and one for my mum. This is the Ritter Sport Coconut. Now, I used to have this Lindt one that had like coconut cream in the middle, and they stopped making it, so I saw this and I thought I'll grab that, but I'm going to put it down because it's literally melted so much. That's how warm it is. Then I got some animal biscuits. So these are the Cadbury animal biscuits with Freddo. I thought, oh my god, love that. I love Freddo. Obviously it's just the shape, but I thought great for £1. That's good for our lunches. 7 in there, so love that. I've not seen them before either with the Freddos, so that made me happy. I'll get the food out of the way, shall I? So I got some of these. These are Merba brownie cookies, crispy chocolate cookies, American style. They sounded really good. It's like the most random haul ever, but I can't wait to try them. Again, I'll let you know what I thought of them. And then I also got some Haribo Gold Bears, because I absolutely love Gold Bears. My favourite are the pineapple. Let me know below which is your favourite, or if you don't like Gold Bears, if there's any other Haribos that you do like, because I love them. And they were £1, so I grabbed them, obviously. And then I got these because they used to sell these and I was obsessed with them, and they stopped making them. I'm not sure if these are just like old or if they're bringing them back. The date is 5th of October 21, so they're not old, that's for sure. It says new recipe, so I'm going to look in Sainsbury's and stuff and see if they're in there, but they were £1 for 5. And they're the Alpen coconut and chocolate. So I grabbed them because they'll be great for lunches or breakfast or whatever, so that's good. And Pat doesn't like coconuts, so that means I can eat them all myself, which is always helpful. Okay, and the last few bits is just some toiletries and some more cleaning bits. So I got a bottle of the Radox Feel Revived Lemongrass and Mandarin Shower Gel. This was £2, it's the big bottle. This is 750ml, so that's going to last us a lot longer. I think the little bottles are like 90p or £1 in the supermarket, so I've not tried this scent before. It smells quite nice though, very fresh for the summer, so I thought that would be handy, and for £2 I can't really complain. And I also got some of the Colgate toothbrushes. I use an electric toothbrush, but Pat uses these, so I just thought I'd grab some. They were £1, and there's 3 in there. There's purple, pink and green, so I grabbed those. And then lastly I got some more cleaning bits. I got these antibacterial wipes. They're really handy just to like clean really quickly. There's 50 wipes in there, gets the job done nice and easy. You can use it on the toilet, you can use it in the sink, you can use it on anything really, and they're just handy, especially with COVID. It's good to just wipe things down every now and then. So I grabbed those, and then lastly 2 bits from Astonish. I got the Astonish Anti-Bac Surface Cleaner, just to clean all the surfaces with. Easy, nice spray. You can use it on, doesn't say, but you can use it pretty much on everything I believe, because it's just anti-bac surface cleaner, 50% more, love that. 750ml in there, so that was £1 or 95p as well, so I thought that would be really handy just to have a quick clean around. And then lastly I got the Astonish kitchen cleaner, Zesty Lemon. Again, this was 95p I think, and that would be nice. That's going to smell so good. They've got flash at the moment, but this will be handy for the rest of it. Can I use this on? Just seeing if I can use it on the hob, probably. Okay, so that is that. So that is everything that I picked up from CHERRYZ. I know it's the most random haul, and it's probably the quickest haul I've ever done as well. I had to fly through it because it's such a hot day, but I'm really happy with everything that I got. I got so much stuff. I don't know if you guys can see that, yeah. I got so much stuff there, and I can't wait to use it all, try all the bits that I got, and I'll let you know what I thought of everything. I'm going to do maybe some TikToks with me cleaning later, before and after and stuff. But I'm excited. I'm really, I don't know, I'm such a grown up that I'm excited over cleaning, but yeah, I'm really glad. I'll leave the discount code on the screen for you guys if you want to check it out. Like I said, they do health and beauty, toiletries, there's even some makeup on there, some NYX bits, some W7. There's also household items like the microwavable bowl, there's pet bits, there's baby bits, even some vape liquid, food and drinks. There's loads of stuff on there, so go and check it out. They do have an app or a website. There's always deals going on there as well, and like I said, I've got 27 things for £30. I think my voucher is 20% off, it could be 10% off those, don't quote me, but I'll leave it on the screen in the description box for you below. If you have any questions, do let me know, and I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up as it really helps me, and don't forget to subscribe down below before you leave. I think I'm on like 3,000 subscribers now, so thank you so much for that, it means the world to me, and I'll see you all in my next video.